Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. It is an English for grade 5 and we are learning unit number 5 and its title is Festivals in Pakistan. So yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 1, under the title of grammar, we will learn about prepositions and its page number is on book, page number 39. Before in English for grade 3, my dear students, as you know that we have already learned about prepositions very well. So I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's students' learning outcomes are demonstrate the use of words showing position, time, movement and direction. So today we are going to learn about preposition of different kinds of prepositions. Which type of, my dear students? Position, time, movement and direction. So today we will cover up our this SLO. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 255, He, Allah, knows what happens to them before them and behind them. Subhanallah. My dear students and my dear teachers, this beautiful verse is telling us that Allah knows everything that is being happened in this world. Even that we are doing in front of us or behind, means if no one is watching us, then also there is one and only, or there is a figure that one is watching us, observing us, and even what we think in our mind. So he knows everything. My dear students, there two words are there, before and behind. So do you know which type of words these are according to grammar? Yes, such type of words are called prepositions. So let's see. There is an beautiful activity I have for you. So let's brainstorm. Yes, my dear teachers, ask your pupils to split up into pairs and explain that you are going to call out different prepositions that the pairs have to act out together. So first of all, what you will do, my dear teachers, you have to get your students into pairs of 2 students. Okay, after that you will assign them different prepositions and that they have to perform together. How? There is an example, see there. This can be as simple as in front and behind. Can be done with 2 pupils, one standing behind or in front of the other. So in this way you can perform this activity, my dear students, and my dear teachers, you will guide them. One student can stand in front of students and can say that where is he, in which position, in front of his partner. Okay, in this way you can perform this activity. So pause the video and perform this activity in your class, and I'm waiting for you. So welcome back. I hope you have enjoyed and now you have got that about which we are going to learn. Yes, prepositions. So see there. Let's see what are prepositions. Prepositions are position words. It tells us about the position and relationship of a noun or a pronoun with another noun. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, keep remember what are prepositions. Preposition will tell us about position words. They are called position words, and they also tell us about the relationship between a noun to another noun, and it can be a pronoun also. Suppose I have a pen in my hand. If I'll keep this pen on my hand, so it means the pen is on the hand. Okay, so this is also noun and my hand is also a noun. So this means this on is showing preposition that on which position the pen is. As you are sitting in your class, my dear students, definitely you may be sitting on your chair, on your table or on a carpet. So it means, so this is your position, in which position you are sitting in your class. Okay, so let's see, there is next examples are there. See there, under the wall. So this wall is, my dear students, noun. Okay, and what is its position? Under the wall. Okay, it is showing that, this arrow is showing that it means under the wall. Where is this wall? This is under the wall, and that through the pipe. Through the pipe means this is crossing from the pipe. Okay, so this is telling us about the position. Across the bridge, up the stairs, when we are going up and down the stairs, this is, and you can see position in image also, my dear students. And next is into the box, out of the box. When, see there, you can judge that the rat is coming out of the box and they're going into the box. And next is around the box. So such type of words, my dear students, have you judged? I'm going to circle them: into, out, around, down, up, under, through, and across. So these all words are called prepositions. So have you got it? Good, students. Let's see what is preposition of time. Preposition of time tells a specific time period that when something happens. So such type of prepositions, my dear students, this type of preposition tells us about time, that on which time that activity or event or anything else is going to be done. Okay, how? Let's get through examples. See there, she will visit us on Monday. So mostly keep remember, my dear students, with days of week, with month of the year, when we are going to tell about such type of time, so we have to use on. Okay, so next example is this: Ali gets school at 7 o'clock. Okay, so when we are going to tell about the time in that shape, in numbering shape, so when you are getting up, when you are getting your school, when you are going to home after school, so you can use this preposition at. Have you got? Good. Next is my birthday is in October. So these three prepositions are there, my dear students, that usually we use to tell about time. Next is there preposition of direction and movement are used to talk about the location of things and their movements from one place to another. So keep remember, my dear students, such type of preposition is being used when we are talking about a direction or a movement. Suppose when we are moving from one place to another, so then we are using such type of preposition, and such type of prepositions are called prepositions of direction and movement. Okay, let's get through few examples. See there, they all went up the hills. So you can judge there, they all went. So it means this is telling us about their movement. Okay, this is movement, and in which directions they went? They went up the hills. Okay, if we will say that they all went down the hills, so this is also telling us about direction and the movement of a noun or a pronoun. Have you got? Good. Next there, I took them to the beach. Okay, so now where I took them? Maybe your parents, your teacher, or any friend, so can get you them that where they get? They get them to the beach. So this to is also telling us about direction, that which direction we moved. Next, there is another example. The football rolled downwards. Okay, so it means how we can get that downward is also telling us about the movement of football. See there, he walked towards the office. Okay, so where he walked? He walked towards the office. So that toward is telling us about direction. And whose direction? He is the noun, and his movement is where? Is going toward the office. So have you got, my dear students? In this way we can get that how we can recognize that how a preposition is being used in different situation. So see there, let's see now, open your book and we will get that what does your book says about preposition, page number 39. A preposition usually comes before a noun or a pronoun and expresses a relation to another word in the sentence. As we have got already, my dear students, some prepositions shows where something happens. They are called preposition of place. Examples, Sidra was sitting under a tree. So read with me, my dear students. Also, you have to follow me. Good students, so open your book and now judge on your book. Some geese flew over their house. Jamal and Ahmed were hiding inside the house. There was a tree beside the river. A girl was sitting in the middle of the playground. I have a friend who lives in Sialkot. A big truck is parked in front of their car. The cat jumped on the top of the cupboard. Okay, have you got? There is another noun. Now you have to read by self. On page number 39, there are other examples, my dear students, and same like that, read out all that. And next, we are moving towards an activity. So this is an activity time. We are going to get that what you got about preposition. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, assign pupils into small teams at a maximum of 4 per team. So my dear teachers, you have to get your students into a team and you can participate 4 students in a team. It's up to you. It's just a clue for you, my dear teachers. It's up to you how many students you want to get. Each team must try to find out these prepositions from Unit 5. Create a competition between them, encourage them, and say them to who will get first, who will be winner. So my dear teachers, you have to engage students that Unit 5, this is Unit 5 is going on. So students have to find out prepositions. That group, that team will find out firstly, so that team will be winner. So my dear teacher, pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Good, excellent job and welcome back. I hope you have done with it and you have enjoyed a lot. Also, you have got about prepositions. Now it's time to move towards an individual activity. On page number 40, there is a question number 7, underline the prepositions in the following sentence. So simple activity is there. You have to underline and you have to care about that which word is called preposition. So underline the preposition in the following sentence, my dear students. Good job, excellent. I hope you have done with it and now you have got about prepositions. Good. So here is an worksheet, my dear teachers. This worksheet link is given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. So this worksheet is to get that how much knowledge students have got about prepositions. So this worksheet will comprehend their knowledge. So what we have learned today? Today we learned about prepositions. We learned about different prepositions that tells us about position, time, movement and directions. And my dear teachers, in this way we have covered up our SLO, demonstrate the use of words showing position, time, movement and directions. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, so we have done with it and we have got that about our SLO. So that was our today's lecture. Tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that, thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah.